58, I'm getting off at North Hills right now.
Passing Walnut, speed 63, light traffic. Okay, guys, on 13, ASC coming up behind you.
On the back car, let y'all know I'm Eagle for ASP. We're coming through the Locust 13, continuing westbound.
Still westbound, across the North Hollow, speeds are 63, no traffic.
Fuller, he doesn't like rules in the back of his truck.
Cross Main. Speeds 50, no traffic.
He's got himself behind him.
Still westbound, cross 50, calling on cross 30 miles an hour, no traffic. North on Sycamore, 44 miles an hour, no traffic. Cross 16, 57 miles an hour, no traffic. West on 17, still no traffic. Just turn north on Allen. There is a train on the track blocking. West on 18.
Truck.
35 miles an hour, no truck. Coming up the pike, you just turn north. Still dragging something. West on 19. Across the park around the stop sign, 46 miles an hour, no traffic. South on Franklin, still no traffic. Up in Short 7, no traffic.
Hey, stay behind us now. Coming south on Franklin, starboard side.
He's continuing flowing. Stop sign. Stay bike and MacArthur. I gotta be able to bike as well. West on 15th, approaching Augusta. These are 65, no traffic. West on Crutcher.
Hey, you can tell it's State 5. He's right behind us.
Okay, hold on the rock. I'm not behind over the rock whenever it gets caught up. We're eastbound on 13th, just past Park, 49 miles an hour, no traffic.
Hey, state's coming up to you. Let him by. State is third. Let him by. Let him by.
Stay past me. Stay sound number 2.
58 Little Rock, I'm primary. It's going to be a white 1-ton dually, single cab, business tags. We're going to be west on 11th Street, no traffic, speeds 55 miles an hour. He's dragging some metal, going spark.
try to get some bikes out of there.
South on Park Drive. We're going to be going back east on West 10th Street.
3258. I'm your Pike in 12.
On 11, continue at northbound on Vestal.
Coming back east on 13th Street.
He's over.
North on Frank Street.
North on Frank.
On Frank, come up to 15.
56, stay up there ahead of him. See if you can get the spikes out. I don't need a bunch of units in the pursuit. Everybody else stay sport row. 32 on off. I'm going to be secondary. I'll follow. We're north on Franklin from 15. We had one stub, TBI. North on Franklin. Fail TBI. East on 17, coming back out the Pike.
58 Little Rock, I've got a flat. I'm on 1022 here at the Circle K on Pike.
834 Little Rock, I'm getting back on 1022 here at the Circle K on Pike. 834 Little Rock, I'm getting back on JFK.
32 Little Rock on primary. Annoying.
Approaching the railway crossing.
He just ran my unit.
Whatever you.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm getting out.
Get out of the car!
Okay, open the door.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Open the door.
Let go of the steering wheel!
On your butt.
Adam 32 Little Rock, 10-15 with 2. 6 before the net.